going on YouTube? It's Shifter, and we are here with, look, can we say our first motovlog with a microphone? I've been trying to get this right, guys. I've been doing everything I could. Different mics. This is the third microphone that I've bought. I don't know why I didn't listen to everyone before, but we finally got the purple Panda mic. I'm praying that this goes through. You guys don't know how many videos, I don't want to say videos, but attempts that I've done to get this right with the audio and the microphone and the wind, and just trying to get quality content for you guys. But anyway, this turns out good. Let's do it. I'm hyped. Welcome to the channel, guys. I'm sure you've seen maybe a couple of my other videos. If you haven't, the name's Shifter. This is actually my first season riding, guys, and I am so happy, privileged, just thankful to be able to do this. Like, I've been telling myself for years that I wanted to ride motorcycles. Probably the last 4 or 5 summers. Been like, damn, I want to get a motorcycle. And I finally did it, guys. We finally did it. Excuse me. They like put this guy on the road. Who gave this guy his permit? But anyway, back to what I was saying. I started riding this year. I started out on a 2019 Kawasaki Z400 naked bike, and let me tell you, that bike was awesome and phenomenal. I had it wasn't that long ago, it was honestly a couple months ago that I had it, but I have really good memories on that bike, and I think it was a really good bike just to kind of get the ropes down and, you know, just getting that feel of being on a motorcycle, because it's so much different than driving a regular car. And so it was, I'm super happy that I was able to learn on that bike, learn a few things. I'm still learning. I've only been riding motorcycles for like 90 days, like 3 months or something like that. But after a month of having the Z400, I felt really comfortable on it. It felt really good, and I decided I need some more power. I should have listened to my friends. A couple of my buddies said I should have just started out on a 600cc bike. And at the very beginning, I was like, no, I don't need to go fast. If I can just go 0 to 80. Go 0 to 80, that's all I would ever need in a bike. 0 to 80 fast. And we all know that we're lying to ourselves. So anyway, sold the Z400, picked up this beauty right here. We have a 2004 Yamaha R6. I gave it a little paint job. I'll actually link the card up here. It's one of my shorts or videos, the before and after. But yeah, we did some work to it. Nothing performance wise. When I picked up this bike, not too much was aftermarket. I think it was just like plus 2 minus 1 for the sprockets and the chain. Exhaust on here. It sounds really clean and nice, the Yoshi. It's not loud, but it just sounds super legit, and it purrs at low RPMs. I love how it sounds at low RPMs. But yeah, back to a little bit more about me. We're out here, beautiful Minnesota weather, gotta love it. I'm hating the fact that winter is coming and I cannot ride during the winter. There's like 5 or 6 months out of the year here in Minnesota where we cannot ride, and I'm not looking forward to that. This is my first year of riding, and I just want to keep on riding it. Fortunately, with summers are beautiful, the winters are brutal. Winters are brutal. But ever since I've had this R6, this thing has just been so awesome to me. Just the feeling of the posture when you're on there, your stance, the power, the speed. Damn, that was a cool little bike. The power of this bike, the speed, the looks, the feel, everything about it. I'm in love with it. I am in love. This feels perfect. But anyway, this is going to be a short video today, guys. I'm testing out the purple Panda. I want to see if we can get it up and running. I want to do some commentary. I have a lot of visions and dreams for this channel, and something about it feels right to me, and I'm just super happy. And I've developed this passion for riding, and you know, I say in my description, I really hope you guys can see that through some of my videos, and just the enjoyment that I've gotten from this. And but like I said, I have a lot of visions what I want to do with this channel, where I want to go with it. I want it to be a motovlog channel, interactive with the community, with just everyone in general. I also like to do just a regular POV views with no commentary. No commentary, you know. Maybe just pure sound. And I also like doing the music too. And that's our 100 pull for the day. You know, I've gotten a lot of love since starting up this channel, and it's only been a couple weeks, but a lot of family and friends have given me a lot of advice and feedback, and it really means a lot to me. So for anyone who does take time out of the day to check out the channel, I really appreciate it, and I'm always open for feedback. Always, always. Always, always. Oh, look at guys, we're wearing gear too. I don't know if you guys have seen my first video, but I dropped this bike, my first ever moto vlog. What are the freaking odds of that? But I was not wearing a jacket. Tore up the side of my arm pretty good. I got some good road rash. That was no fun. I don't ever want to get road rash again. Road rash was no fun. But just wanted to say, guys, thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to check me out. I appreciate the love. This is only the beginning. Got a huge journey ahead of us. Let's see where it takes us. But make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll be doing my best to post as much content as I can. Thank you guys so much. Peace and love.